Established in 1879, Dow Hill is considered as India's third most haunted place. My mom is from Siliguri, West Bengal, and Kurseong is very close to Siliguri. It's only about a 2-hour drive. Everybody is always curious about this place, Kurseong, especially for its paranormal legends. I've always wondered, since this place is so close to my mom's house, why haven't we ever been there? So I thought, let's give it a visit this summer. So my name is Himanshi and welcome to Spin the City. Located about 30 kilometers from Darjeeling, Kurseong is a peaceful hill station in West Bengal. The place is famous for its tea gardens, pine forests, cool breeze and an amazing view. It is often called the land of white orchids and is the perfect destination for nature lovers. Now, hidden within this forest is the Dow Hill School, one of the oldest schools in this region and also the biggest attraction. Established in 1879, this school is known not only for its rich history but also for its haunted reputation. According to many travelers and paranormal websites, Dow Hill is considered as India's third most haunted place, making it one of the country's most famous haunted destinations. The British established this school as a part of the education system in the Darjeeling Hills. Today, the school is run by the government of West Bengal. Younger boys study at the Dow Hill School while older boys study at the Victoria's High School, another historic building that is deeply connected to the local legends. But what made this peaceful hill station so famous? The answer lies in the surrounding forest and the infamous Death Road, a stretch connecting the Dow Hill Road to the forest office. For decades, the locals over here have reported seeing a headless boy walking in the mist before disappearing into the woods. Others have reported hearing footsteps, whispers, and children's laughter coming in from the school building. Some people have also reported seeing a mysterious woman dressed in grey wandering through the forest. It's important to remember that these are local legends and reported experiences. There is no scientific or official evidence proving that Dow Hill is haunted. Many people also visit here and experience nothing unusual at all, while others simply find the thick fog, silence, and the old colonial architecture naturally beautiful. Today, Dow Hill School continues to function as an educational institution. Students attend classes over here every day, and the campus remains an important part in Kurseong's educational heritage. Tourists usually visit the area to enjoy the scenic views, colonial architecture, pine forests, and of course, the mystery surrounding the space. As we walked around the campus and the nearby forest roads, it is easy to understand why this place has captured people's imagination for generations. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the combination of history, dense forest, and the mist creates an atmosphere unlike anywhere else. Now, would you visit Dow Hill during the sunset or stick to visiting it during the daylight? Let me know in the comments down below. In the next video, I will take you to Death Road, which is closely linked to this place, and also share my scary experience. So make sure to stay tuned. See you in another place, in another video. Bye!
In the next video, we'll cover the Death Road, which is very closely related to this same school, and we'll share my experience.